12:12 in the afternoon, Friday, August 13th. If you can't slide this thing, this has happened to me before with the 3.1.3 software. Everybody, pretty much a lot of people have the 4.0.1 software, the 4.0.2 software. So, like, if you can't slide this, and what I tried to do was I held this down, and then I tried to slide this, but it didn't work. So, how you do it if it's not working? You take this, you hold it down, you take the power button and the home button and hold it down. Okay, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, and then it automatically turns back on. Once it turns off, it turns back on. You can see the camera in the reflection. My iPod takes forever. This is a 16 gigabyte second generation iPod Touch. Thinking about buying a Wii remote today. I don't know. If you time this, that'd be awesome. It should be down here in a minute. Or in like 10 seconds. This is how long it takes for my iPod to reload. Oh my gosh, it's still reloading. Well, I have my light. Ew! Ew! It's my sister. It's still going. Okay. Oh, it finally stopped. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe.